Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to quick set up your networks for your TP-Link RE190 Wi-Fi extender using app called TP-Link Tether. So in order to do that, we need to select the device in the app. Right now it's the one I mentioned, RE190. From here go for the tools and select quick setup. Now it will scan for any wireless networks. From here we'll need to select the 2.4 GHz network that we want to use. So right now I'm gonna pick that one. Just keep in your mind that you need to use the 2.4 in this. No 5G networks won't be visible in this menu. So let's pick this one, enter the password, and click next. Now you'll need to select 5G network, and here's the list. So there's only 5G networks visible right here. I'm gonna pick that one and enter the password again. Press next and then next again. So here you can see confirmation of both of the devices, both networks that we are connected to. After that, press next and apply. We'll need to wait till the TP-Link will apply its settings, and after waiting, our device will be ready. So now you'll have some information on where to plug in the adapter, and after actually following them, you'll see these lights on it. For me, every light is in a good position, and after doing that, press location looks good, done, and I'm connected. And now our device is ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.